How can you retrieve invoices for your Shopee purchases? Shopee buyers can now self-retrieve invoices for all of their Shopee purchases dated the 8th of April 2022 onwards, via both the Shopee app and the Shopee website. Part 1. What information is displayed on the Shopee-generated invoices? Shopee-generated invoices contain a complete set of information in regards to your Shopee purchases, and may be even more detailed as compared to seller-generated invoices. At the top left, the seller's details are displayed, including seller's Shopee store name and seller's operating address. Followed by the buyer's details, including buyer's name and buyer's address. Next, there are the Shopee order details, including Shopee order ID, which is also duplicated as the invoice number, Shopee order paid date, which is also duplicated as the invoice date, and the payment method used by the buyer. Then we have the list of products purchased, including the product name and variation, quantity, and product price. Finally, the details that some seller-generated invoices do not include, which are the shipping fee amount paid by the buyer, minus the shipping discount received via the applied free shipping vouchers provided by Shopee or the seller, minus the applied voucher provided by Shopee, minus the applied voucher provided by the seller, and minus the Shopee coins redeemed. Do note that if you did not apply the mentioned vouchers during your purchase, those line items will not be displayed in the invoice. Part 2. How do you retrieve the Shopee-generated invoice via the Shopee app? 1. Open the Shopee app. 2. Click on the Me tab at the bottom right of the app's interface. 3. Click on View Purchase History. 4. Click on the order that you would like to retrieve the invoice for. 5. Scroll down until you see the Invoice View button. The Shopee-generated invoice will now be displayed on the app's interface, which you can then take a screenshot. If you prefer the Shopee-generated invoice to be in PDF format, click on the Send button at the top right of the app's interface, and the PDF formatted invoice will be emailed to you to your email address you have registered your Shopee account with. Part 3. How do you retrieve the Shopee-generated invoice via the Shopee website? 1. Open the Shopee website. 2. Click on your Shopee username at the top right of the website's interface. 3. Click on the Completed tab. 4. Click on the order that you would like to retrieve the invoice for. 5. Click on View e-invoice. The PDF formatted Shopee-generated invoice will then be downloaded to your computer. That's it. Use the comments section below if you have any questions regarding this topic, or if you have any suggestions on help guide or information videos you want us to produce. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on new useful videos releases. Cheers and happy shopping on Shopee.
DLeom Technologies